Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Bengal Bonsai. So this is one of my oldest clump style ficus infectoria bonsai, and as you can see it has aged a lot and it has got a very nice root system. This is the central trunk and the flaring roots. As you can see, this is how the whole tree looks like. This is the upper portion. It is the advent of the winter, hence leaves are dropping. You can see how the space between there is space between the trunks, and we can see all the important trunk and branch lines. And you can see how the roots have grown from thick to thinner as it goes outwards. Same for the branches, thickest at the base, and slowly as it goes it tapers and then forms thin feeble branches. This is the focal point of the tree and the main center of attraction. So here we have cleaned the tree a little bit, and since it's winter we can't do pruning, because this is the time slowly the leaves will fall and the tree will go into dormancy. It's 11 degrees today and it's extremely cold here. So ficus trees usually go into dormancy, specifically the ficus trees that grow locally in West Bengal. So this is a ficus infectoria. It's a species of ficus virens. The main problem with this tree is that the leaves don't become very small, so you need to make larger bonsais. Here we have to clean the roots which have entangled the body. We will do it in the Feb season or March, when we shall do the repotting of this tree. So you can see the trunk lines and how the tapering has been created by chop and chop method. So we let it grow, we chop it, again we let it grow, we chop it. So that is how these branches have all been developed and the tapering has been created. This foliage is soon going to fall away because of the extreme cold conditions, but you always need to keep the body and the trunk of the tree clean and maintain your trees so that they can last for a lifetime with you. You have to make sure that the overall silhouette of the tree, the overall structure, it resembles like what we see in nature. So as we rotate this tree, you can see the roots forming all around the trunk base. So this has been a friend of mine for a long time, and I love to have tea while sitting beside it and enjoying its beauty. It is one of the fastest growers in our climate in West Bengal in India, and it makes amazing bonsai. If the leaf size would have been smaller, it would have been a great species for small and shohin bonsai as well, but since the leaf size is big, we tend to make bigger bonsais out of it. But if you display the tree in leafless condition, it will be amazing. Also, when you water the tree and the trunk gets the water, it becomes reddish brown in color. So that is another beauty of the tree. So thank you friends for watching. Stay tuned with us.